Welcome to this guided meditation by Denise Dunleavy. Start by taking a few deep breaths. Breathe in ease, breathe out peace. Breathe in ease, breathe out peace. Remember that you are exactly where you need to be right now. No one needs or wants anything from you in this moment. Imagine you are standing under a waterfall. You can feel the water flowing over you, and it starts to turn into droplets of divine light. Soon, all of this water has turned into amazing healing energy. It surrounds you and your whole body and expands to fill your entire aura. This divine light is dissolving and washing away anything that you don't need. Envision the current carrying away any stress, fear, or negativity until it just disappears. Let it wash away any fear, doubt, or worry. Trust that your soul and spirit will wash away, cleanse, and release anything that doesn't serve you. Just let go. Release. Let yourself be free. Now imagine that this divine light is entering your body. It flows into every cell, and as it does, the vibration of each cell multiplies. You are vibrating as a spiritual being. There is no separation between you and spirit. You are divine energy. Take a few deep breaths here, noticing the higher vibration. Feel the amazing light and energy that you are. You are a miracle. You are powerful. You are one with the universe. When you are ready, you can start to come back to the room that you are in. Notice your body and where you are touching a surface. You can gradually start to move your fingers and toes. Go forward, knowing that you are vibrating with the divine love and light of the universe, and that you are contributing to the amazing energy of the planet and everyone that you come in contact with.